Hello everyone! Welcome back to Today we're taking a look at the all-new Yamaha XT500, a motorcycle inspired by one of Yamaha's most iconic dual sport bikes. Let's explore its design, features, engine, and what makes it exciting for adventure riders. Classic design with a modern touch. The new Yamaha XT500 blends retro styling with modern technology. It features a round LED headlight, a rugged fuel tank, spoke-style wheels, high-mounted front fender, and a comfortable upright riding position. The classic look is preserved while adding premium modern details. Engine and performance. Although Yamaha has not officially confirmed the final production specifications, the new XT500 is expected to deliver smooth power, strong low-end torque, and reliable performance for both city roads and off-road adventures. A refined engine and modern fuel injection are expected to improve efficiency and throttle response. Features and technology. The motorcycle is expected to include a fully digital instrument display, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, long travel suspension, disc brakes, and lightweight construction. These features aim to provide better comfort, safety, and confidence on different terrains. Riding experience. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring mountain trails, the Yamaha XT500 is designed to offer a comfortable riding posture, stable handling, and excellent off-road capability. It is expected to appeal to riders who enjoy adventure and weekend touring. Expected price and launch. Yamaha has not officially announced the launch date or pricing in all markets. More details are expected to be revealed when the company makes an official announcement. Conclusion. The new Yamaha XT500 brings together classic heritage and modern engineering, making it one of the most anticipated adventure motorcycles. If you're excited about this legendary bike, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more motorcycle updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.